Meet the world of Windstorm Chronicles, where myth meets memory, martial arts meets the extraterrestrial, and one man's journey becomes our story. Through episodes of galactic intrigue, personal reckoning, and cinematic fight sequences, LaMarr Ward boldly explores the extraterrestrial landscape of our universe. Using science fiction storytelling as a mirror for the human quest for freedom, healing, and truth. Creator LaMarr Ward brings his visionary film series to the Many Tongues opening night panel discussion, joining Detroit storytellers to discuss how world building, myth, and imagination becomes languages of resistance and reflection.